to Best Product Reviews. If you're a graphic designer looking for the perfect laptop in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 laptops that will take your creative work to the next level. Whether you're designing marketing materials, creating stunning illustrations, or working on complex UI projects, these machines have the power, display quality, and performance you need. We've done the research, tested the specs, and we're bringing you the absolute best options for every budget and use case. So let's dive in and find your perfect creative companion.
At number 5, we have the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. Now, you might be wondering why a gaming laptop is on this list, but trust me, this is an absolute powerhouse for graphic designers who also happen to enjoy gaming. This beast comes equipped with an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU with 12 gigabytes of VRAM. That's serious graphics muscle right there. You're getting 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, which means you can handle massive Photoshop files and run multiple design programs simultaneously without breaking a sweat. But here's what really makes this laptop shine for designers: the display. We're talking about a 16-inch screen with 2560 by 1600 resolution and a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate. The color coverage is exceptional, averaging 108.7% of the DCI P3 color gamut. That's way beyond what most graphic designers actually need, which means your colors will be incredibly accurate and vibrant. The display also gets super bright, hitting 456 nits, so you can work comfortably in any lighting condition. Now, let's be real about the downsides. This laptop is chunky at 1.01 inches thick and weighs 5.7 pounds, so it's definitely more of a desktop replacement. Battery life isn't its strong suit either, clocking in at just over 4 hours for web surfing. But if you're primarily working at a desk and want a machine that can handle intensive 3D rendering, video game UI design, and creative work without compromise, this is an excellent choice. The keyboard is satisfying to type on, the audio is loud and clear, and the overall performance is absolutely stellar. For under $2,500 on sale, you're getting professional-grade power in a package that won't completely empty your wallet. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Next up is the Asus ProArt PX13, and this one's special. If you're a graphic designer who likes to sketch and draw as part of your creative process, this 2-in-1 convertible laptop might be exactly what you need. The PX13 is powered by an AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 discrete graphics card. You're getting 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD in a compact 13.3-inch form factor. What makes this laptop truly unique is its versatility. The display can flip 360 degrees, transforming it into a drawing tablet. The 13.3-inch OLED touchscreen offers 2880 by 1800 resolution, which gives you almost the same workspace as a standard piece of paper. At just 0.62 inches thick and weighing only 3 pounds, this is incredibly portable for a 2-in-1 laptop. One of the coolest features is the special dial embedded in the touchpad. This functions as both a precision control wheel inside design programs and a function wheel for Windows. You can adjust brush sizes in Photoshop, control volume, change screen brightness, and more. It's like having a dedicated control surface built right into your laptop. Performance-wise, this laptop doesn't disappoint. It excels in Puget Bench Photoshop tests and Handbrake video transcoding, meeting or exceeding what competing laptops can achieve. The RTX 4050 graphics card means you can take advantage of hardware acceleration features in Adobe Creative Suite. Now for the considerations. The display covers about 80% of the DCI P3 color gamut, which is slightly below the ideal 85% minimum. However, OLED displays typically underperform in these tests, so the actual coverage is likely higher. Battery life comes in at 9 hours and 49 minutes, which is decent but falls short of the recommended 11-hour minimum. The speakers are bottom-firing, which means they can get muffled easily. But if you want a compact, portable laptop that lets you sketch, draw, and design without needing a separate tablet, the ProArt PX13 is a top choice. It's perfect for designers who value mobility and the flexibility of working in different modes. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Keeping it going with the Asus ProArt P16, which is hands down the best Windows laptop for graphic designers in 2026. This machine offers MacBook Pro level performance and display quality for about $1,000 less. Let me break down why this laptop is so impressive.
Under the hood, you've got an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 3070 processor, an NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a 2 terabyte SSD. That's a seriously powerful configuration. The processor alone scored 15,286 in the Geekbench 6 multi-core benchmark, crushing the average premium laptop by a huge margin. In real-world testing, it transcoded a 4K video to 1080p in just 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Compare that to the average premium laptop taking nearly 8 minutes, and you can see how much faster your workflow will be. The 16-inch display is where this laptop really shines. You're getting 3840 by 2400 resolution on a gorgeous OLED touchscreen. The color coverage hits 85.5% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is perfect for professional graphic design work. While the display isn't the brightest at 356 nits, it's still plenty for most working conditions. The build quality is stellar, with top-firing speakers that sound fantastic, a great keyboard and touchpad, and a design that feels premium without the premium price tag. If you primarily work with Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or InDesign, this laptop will handle everything you throw at it. The 32 gigabytes of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, even with multiple design programs running simultaneously. Now here's the main compromise: battery life. You're looking at about 9 hours and 32 minutes of web browsing at 150 nits brightness. If you're working with design programs at full brightness, that number drops considerably, so you'll want to work near an outlet or be mindful of your battery usage. Also, if the specific apps you use are macOS exclusive, like Sketch, this obviously won't work for you. But for Windows users who want professional-grade performance, exceptional graphics capability, and a color-accurate display without paying MacBook prices, the ProArt P16 is an absolute winner. It's reliable, powerful, and designed specifically with creators in mind. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.